Well, this is me Sanjay and Mukesh. In this video, we have to discuss about the short channel effects in the MOSFET in VLSI device modulation. First of all, we have to know what is meant by MOSFET. MOSFET is nothing but it is a metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. In short channel MOSFET, MOSFET is a device deemed to have been a short channel which have the channel length is reduced to a certain constant of the degree. In this slide we have to introduce the diagrammatic representation of the short channel MOSFET. We have to notice that XDD and XDS. XDS means it is the source distance. XD means it is a drain distance of the surrounding of the drain and source junction. Let's we know the difference between short channel and long channel MOSFET. It is typically the noise performance of the various switching performance of 1 divided by L into W. L means length and W means width. In short channel MOSFET, the transconductance of the unit it has been devised in the switching of the speed of short channel because of the transconduction is proportional of width and length. There may be an other reason of channel length. It should be less of modification effects using channel of the device for the good current source of the lowest capacitance. However, we have to know the second order effect of the trace usually strongly influenced by the noise and speed of the trace. In next slide, we have to see the short channel MOSFET in various issues of including. There are the 8 issues of the including in their series. They are drain induced barrier lowering, channel length modulation, velocity saturation, punch through effect, hot carrier, threshold voltage roll off, subthreshold condition and mobility degradation. In this video we have to discuss only the drain induced barrier lowering. First of all, drain induced barrier lowering is also called as DIBL. It is a short channel effect which MOSFET have been referring original to the reduction threshold voltage of the transistor and the high drain of the voltage. In class of the planar, effects of the with long bottleneck in the channel. Transformation occurs from the drain contact electrostatic shielded from the drain combination substrate. In this we have to mention that the DIBL of short channel MOSFET. When the positive voltage is applied to the drain short channel in the MOSFET of the threshold voltage reduced due to the depletion of the region in the drain region. Also, this led to be the decrease overall the length channel is called as drain induced barrier lowering. In next slide, we have how we have to reduce the drain induced barrier lowering. It is reduced by using the methods of increase the substrate doping concentration, reduce oxide thickness, hollow thickness. In threshold voltage, it is a minimum gate of the source which required to produce invariant zone of the charge carrier conduction across the drain source when a proper bias is applied. There are the true method of the threshold voltage. They are reduction of the channel length and reduction of the oxide lengths. Thank you.